Hi friends, this is Iqra. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will list 10 countries with the highest literacy rate. Literacy, the ability to read and write, is arguably the single most important factor in determining a person's career arc. For those who can read and write, the range of possible vocations is vast. Even highly skilled, high-paying careers are within reach. For those who cannot, the options are extremely limited. Even unskilled minimum wage jobs can be difficult to obtain. So let's start with the list. 10. Kazakhstan. Its literacy rate in 2018 was 99.78%. 9. Azerbaijan. Its literacy rate in 2017 was 99.79%. 8. Tajikistan. Its literacy rate in 2014 was 99.8%. 7. Lithuania. Its literacy rate in 2011 was 99.82%. 6. Czech Republic. Its literacy rate in 2016 was 99.83%. If you like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's continue with the list. 5. Estonia. Its literacy rate in 2011 was 99.89%. 4. Latvia. Its literacy rate in 2018 was 99.89%. 3. San Marino. Its literacy rate in 2018 was 99.92%. 2. Ukraine. Its literacy rate in 2012 was 99.97%. 1. Uzbekistan. Its literacy rate in 2018 was 99.99%. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.